the one, nua is new. So I'm at the buying of the one that is new. Okay? Of the new one. So an kyan becomes an keen. Okay? And the next one, the verbal adjective kanaha means bought. So I have already bought it. Tasha kanaha agam kanahain. Tasha kanaha agam kanahain. And in the West, you'll hear the I-T-H-E part is left off, so they say Tasha kaniam. Tasha kaniam. So
is it to buy, agam is at you?
Yeah, so literally it is bought at me already. Kanahain meaning already. Okay? Because the way you say I have something, you say ta agam. Okay? So ta agam is the have part. The she kanaha, it bought. So I have it bought. I have bought it. Okay?
In the perfect tense, the wrong way about it.
That's the right way to do it, actually. Yeah. That's the way you do it. That's the way you do it in Irish.
Kana is what?
Which one?
Okay, tashe is it.
Tasha, it is. Yeah, correct. Is it.
Kana is bought.
Kanaha is bought. Agam is at me.
And kana is...
Kana means already, and kanahain is really already. Okay.
Already?
Yeah, it's just...
Enough already. Enough
Yeah.
already.
Yeah, you can say kana without the hain on it, but it's very common to say kanahain.
Already myself?
No, just already. It's just... Fain also, besides meaning itself, also is an emphasis. So it's just...
just emphasis.
It's just emphasized it's already.
So he's saying, it's emphasizing, I've already bought it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Right. Okay. Yeah, it takes getting used to that last expression takes a little bit, but that's the way you say that you have done something. You say ta, she, whatever the verbal adjective is, agam. Okay. So ta she. If you go something like ones we have up above on the top of page 3, like all is drink. So I have drunk it, ta she olta agam, or I have already drunk it, ta she olta agam kanahain. Okay, or ta she kurha eramordagam, I have put it on the table. Okay, so there's verbal adjectives for all of these. And if you have one of those charts, you can see them for the few verbs that are listed there. Also, if you go on the Yahoo group that we have, there is a link to a few dictionaries. In one of the online dictionaries, if you put in a word like canny, it'll give you all the different forms of that verb. Okay.
Use that a lot.
Yeah, there's a folklore bag, and there's a couple others that are out there too.
I need to figure out how to get on that group.
Oh yeah.
It's just for some reason it just tells me that that it doesn't match. Like years ago.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to go to the bottom part of page 3 now. And these are a few more words that are second conjugation or long words. So first one is airi, number 26. Okay. So airi means to get up. So telling someone don't get up before 7. Na hairi riba shaft. So na is don't, na hairi don't get up. Rib is before, a shaft is 7. Okay. Say I got up at 7 today. Dairi me ega shaftinyu. So dairi me I got up ega shaft at 7. Sorry, in you today. If you want to say I get up at 7 every day, Airim ega shaft gachla. Or you can say Airian me ega shaft gachla. Okay, it's the combined form. So do you get up at 7 too? An Irian tassa ega shaft freshen? How do you say yes? Irim, yeah. Okay, or Irian.
What's the egg in there?
At. Yeah.
What's that egg?
When you say a number, you usually put in front of it. So if you're just counting a hen, a doe, a tree, or if you're saying a certain time, like 6 o'clock, you don't say she o'clock, you say a she o'clock.
Okay, actually need that.
Yeah. And you can use egg or air, so you'll see both of them, air a shaft or egg a shaft. Okay. Next one in 30 is the future, so I will get up at 6 tomorrow. Airoi me egashe amarach. Okay. So if you noticed when we were looking at Kenoi me, which is on the Kenny page number 23, Kenoi me, it's spelled this way. Kenoi is spelled that way. Airoi is spelled slightly differently with the ending. Those are both oi, okay? But this one is used when you have a or o or u here, and this one's used when you have e or I here. Okay? So, Airoi me egashe amarach, I'll get up at 6 tomorrow. Okay? Number 31 is the verbal noun, so she is getting up now. Tashi eg airianish. Okay? So that's the word airi. The next word is imi, which means to leave, like go away, kind of leave. So go away is imiglat. Okay? Imiglat. So how would you say? How do you think you would say to more than one person go away? Okay, and live is the last part. What's the first part? Imigi. Yeah, imigi live. Imigi live. Okay. Imi is talking to one person. Imigi is to more than one person. Yeah, so the gi part is the more than one. Okay. So he went home. Dimishte awalia. You're kind of talking about that like he left here and went home, Jimmy Shewalia, as opposed to Hui Shewalia, he just went home in general. The Jimmy Shewalia is more an emphasis on the fact that he left where he was at. Okay? He leaves before her every day. So Imian She Rimpi Gachla. So Imian She he leaves, so Rimpi is before her. Okay, Gachla every day. Okay, in the future, I will leave in a week. Imoime igyan shachtana. We had that igyan in a couple lessons ago, one of those stories we were reading. Igyan shachtana is basically, literally it's in the head of a week. Okay, but it means in a week, after a week. Okay, and imoime, like, Airoi has the EOIDH ending for the future. Imoime. Okay? And imach is the verbal noun, so we are leaving now. Tamijik imachanish. Okay? And that means leaving, or so imach is also used to mean to leave, so to say I have to leave, kahime imacht. Okay? So kahime literally means I will throw, but it means I have to. Okay. Kahime. Alright. Kahime imach. And then say he has gone. Tashe imeha. Okay. It means he has gone or he is gone. Tashe imeha. Okay. The next word is immer, which means to play a game like football or soccer, basketball, whatever. Or a board game, cards. There are really two types of words that are long. Okay, there's ones like kani, or iri, or imi, which all end in igh. Okay. And these all end in igh. Okay, so that's what makes them long usually. Kani, iri, imi. There's another bunch of them that have endings like imir, which means to play, or what's the one we have here is inish. There's another one, ahin. So they typically have an I and another consonant at the end. Okay.
What's ahin mean?
Ahin is to know someone and recognize someone. We had a different version. We had actually a little bit of that one with the Acne Agam error, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So a bunch of them that basically have IN, IS, IR, IL. Okay. And these ones they follow the same pattern as here, but they tend to drop this I in a lot of the forms, okay? So we'll see that here. So going down to number 39. So they played a game of football. Dimmer Shiad Clichapella.
Dimmer Shiad Clichapella.
So Dimmer played, Shiad is they, Clicha is a game, Pella of football, like Gaelic football. Okay? And they played football, Imrian Shiad Pel. Okay, and so you notice here that second I dropped out. So instead of Imrian, it's Imrian. Okay? And these would all do that, in Shean, Athenian. Okay? And the future, we will play football, Imroimich Pel. Okay?